Do you know, this one switch in your car is crucial for your safety if you use it right? Welcome to Factful Fridays. This week, let's talk about the correct use of hazard switch and its benefits. The hazard switch switches on all indicators at once, helping alert others on the road. This is especially crucial when your car breaks down or in an emergency. Turn on your hazard lights using hazard switch right away. It not only alerts others nearby but also makes your vehicle more visible, especially at night or in poor weather conditions. It also acts as a warning for drivers behind when you reduce speed suddenly. However, using it unnecessarily while driving normally can confuse others on the road. But in case you need to stop for emergency repairs, the first thing you should do is switch on your hazard lights using hazard switch. That said, hazard lights alone can't provide complete safety. For added safety, place a warning triangle behind your vehicle to warn approaching traffic. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of accidents. Hazard lights warn nearby drivers, and a warning triangle alerts from a distance. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.